Please join me in welcoming Ms. Anna Jobin-Britt, Secretary of the United Nations Commission of International Trade Law. Welcome. It's a great pleasure having you with us today.
Your Highnesses, Excellencies, dear guests of the Riyadh International Disputes Week 2026, ladies and gentlemen, and may I say, dear friends of UNCITRAL. It's an immense honor and pride to stand here in front of this distinguished audience to speak a few words of welcome and gratitude for this 5th SCCA International Conference celebrating 60 years of UNCITRAL. I would like to thank the Ministry of Commerce of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the National Competitiveness Center, TAISIR, for being our long-standing and trusted partner here in the Kingdom. And of course, the SCCA for the organization of this conference that launches the celebration of UNCITRAL's Jubilee. It is the first event of a series that will take us way into 2027 to witness the impact of UNCITRAL's work in so many areas of international trade law. Trade finance, transport, trade in goods, e-commerce, digital trade, insolvency, payments, and of course, international dispute resolution. A good thing in this conference, bringing together so many distinguished dispute resolution practitioners, in-house and government lawyers from the region and beyond, is that I don't need to introduce this obscure body of the United Nations General Assembly, established 60 years ago to harmonize and modernize international trade law. You all know what UNCITRAL has contributed to your daily work and to the settlement of disputes all over the globe, be it through its comprehensive international arbitration or mediation frameworks. And you also know that UNCITRAL is you. It is its member states. We are, after all, an intergovernmental body. It's its observers and experts that have shaped together harmonious and modern rules for international trade and investment. And harmonize and modernize UNCITRAL did. It gives us great pride that so many jurisdictions across all regions have become members of the New York Convention, 172 states, and have adopted the UNCITRAL model law, 127 jurisdictions, not to speak about the numerous arbitration centers established solidly on the use of UNCITRAL arbitration rules and the countless contracts and treaties that refer to the rules, as many as the stars in the sky or the sand in the desert. What better testament of a successful contribution to the peaceful settlement of commercial and investment disputes than this celebration here with you. In today's uncertain and glooming circumstances, there's not much reason to rejoice, so let us take it when it's given to us. Thank you to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and to SCCA for opening the UNCITRAL Jubilee. Thank you for giving us reasons to believe in multilateralism, in multilateral solutions to economic issues, and for celebrating the contribution by UNCITRAL to resolving peacefully disputes. And let us delve now into the rich program of this event. I thank you very much.